In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Trello in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and precision. Now let's dive in and get you navigating your Trello board like a pro. To begin, you need to open your browser and go to Trello's official website. Trello is an intuitive project management tool that lets you capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. Once you've landed on the Trello homepage, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you haven't yet created an account, there's an option to sign up, but for this tutorial, let's assume you already have one. Enter your details and proceed to your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Trello workspace. This is your command center, where all the magic happens. From here, you can access all the boards you are a part of. Today, we're focusing on a specific board, so let's locate My Trello board in your list of boards and click on it. The Trello board is where you will manage your tasks and lists related to particular projects or workflows. It's essentially your virtual whiteboard, offering a visual way to organize your tasks. Now on My Trello board, you'll notice different lists laid out horizontally. These lists represent categories or stages of your workflow. Within these lists are cards which contain specific tasks or items that you need to work on or keep track of. To edit any of these tasks, simply click on a card. Once a card is open, you can see more details such as descriptions, attachments, and activity logs. Here you can also add comments, set due dates, or collaborate with team members by mentioning them in the comments. If your task needs more granularity, you could use checklists within the card to break down the task into smaller actionable steps. Labels are another feature you can utilize to categorize and prioritize tasks visually. Moreover, setting a due date allows Trello to remind you as the deadline approaches. Make sure to save any changes you make, and your edits will be instantly updated and visible to your team members who have access to the board, and that's all it takes to edit a Trello board efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your workflows smoothly and ensure everyone is on the same page. Remember, consistency in using these tools enhances productivity and minimizes miscommunication. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.